$1,500 player. Can I win this guy or not? I don't know. Let's go. He's playing stupid moves actually, so I think I have a lot of chances. Very stupid opening. Come on, buddy, you don't know why you are opening your computer or something? What stupid move is this one? Let me take. Okay, what are you doing? It is just a pawn right now. Can't understand his strategy. It is a pawn for... Oh, very nice. I protected the queen actually, because maybe he has some tricks. Let's kick him away. I don't like to see these stupid pieces on my king side. Let him kick away. Okay, he's not playing good chess. What he did actually, he let me exchange more pieces, more and more pieces. I'm going to take this for sure right now. And now he start crying. Check, not check, actually attack something. He can take here. And what I'm going to do? Oh. We can see a very stupid fight. Let's play this one. I'm attacking the knight and I'm threatening the queen exchanges. And now he's going to lose thanks to less material, right? Okay, this is a move actually, and then this one. And I'm trying to eyeballing that square. He played this in order to give a check. Okay, he can see to the checks. Okay, push this one forward because I don't like to lose the pawn. And in any check I can take it actually. Now I have a very juicy square there. You just capture this and now take that because threatening this. Yeah. Now I'm coming. Now it's my turn. My turn. Sit comfortable and take a look. Take a look how I can take everything right now with the mill tactic. Do you know this tactic? Actually I have a checkmate or something, but I like this mill because we have it. Again, I'm going to take everything. Let's enjoy chess. Yes, again another check and another check. And now we have this check. I can take the bishop, but he has to put the rook here, and this is a checkmate. This is for highlights for sure, because he played this opening, and now he's thinking, I'm accepting congratulations right now. Thank you, GG.
If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there.